I know you guys are getting excited to clean your house with this amazing Enviro Cloth. Right now, I want to show you our top 5 products that can dramatically change the way that you clean your home. Norwex's mission is to improve quality of life by dramatically reducing chemicals in the home, and these products can so make a difference for you, plus save you tons of money. So the average family spends between $800 and $1,000 each year on cleaning supplies, bringing in chemical-laden items that can cause eczema, asthma flare-ups, itchy skin, dry eyes, sore throats, all kinds of things that we don't have to deal with anymore because we have these amazing products that can totally clean our house in an amazing way, make it fun, fast, and easy, and save us a ton of money. So let me show you our Safe Haven 5 set, okay? Of course, the first thing that comes in that Safe Haven 5 set is the Enviro Cloth, which is going to remove 99% of bacteria with only water. This is the E for everything cloth. You get it wet and literally clean everything with it. Its best friend is the window cloth. Look at how pretty these are. Isn't it so pretty? So the window cloth you use dry to give you a beautiful streak-free shine. Let me show you how these two work. Ooh, I got some very melty butter here. All right, I want you to imagine your sliding glass door and the doggy nose prints or the kiddo's hand prints that get all over the place. Instead of grabbing half a roll of paper towels and that spray cleaner that is going to make everything smell in your whole house, you grab your Enviro Cloth, you wipe away, it grabs all the grease, that grime, all the nasties. Look, you can see the butter right there in there. And I can wipe it all over the place, it's not gonna smear. Then you take your window cloth that is nice and dry, and it is going to give you a beautiful streak-free shine on all of your surfaces, be it glass, stainless steel, mirrors, windows, you name it. Check that out. Isn't that beautiful? So these two come as a basic package, and we have some different color choices, but you can get these two. They will dramatically change the way that you clean, and you will have a huge amount of savings in paper towels using this window cloth. Plus there's no lint residue. There's just nothing. You just use these two cloths and it's done. All right, the next thing that comes in our Safe Haven 5 set is the cleaning paste. Now, if you have never heard of Norwex cleaning paste, I gotta tell you this. This stuff is elbow grease in a jar. It's called a paste, but it is more like a chalk. It is a mild abrasive cleaner to replace all of your abrasive cleaners. One container of this stuff will last the average family 2 to 3 years. If you guys ever come in from work and you've seen that your kids have been drawing on the walls with their permanent markers, or they got a hold of your lipstick and they've made a huge old mess with that, and you're gonna cry because it's never gonna come off and you're gonna have to repaint, and that grease mark is really gonna ruin any new paint, never fear. You grab your wet Enviro Cloth, rub it in your cleaning paste. It's all you need. A little bit goes a long way. You can use this to clean your walls, your baseboards, your shoes, outdoor furniture, doors. You know that black that gets around your doorknobs all the time? So easy to come off. Wash it down with this. The cleaning paste will take everything right off of there. This is a parent's dream. Because we've all seen the writing on the walls, right? Check that out. Oh, I missed a spot. Come here. So I've been using this same piece of floor to do this demo for like 2 years, and it still has a finish and shine on it. Isn't that great? There we go. Ta-da! Beautiful. So the cleaning paste, seriously, is amazing. Now the cleaning paste has a best friend too. It's not part of the Safe Haven 5 set, but I gotta show you this. This is a Spiri sponge. It is a scratch-free sponge that you use with this guy. You can clean your ovens, your glass top stoves, the hard water buildups in your showers. You name it, you need scrubbing power. These two are your powerhouse team. Now, this doesn't come in the Safe Haven 5 set. However, if you get the Safe Haven sets, or if you spend $99 in product or more, I will send you a Spiri sponge as my thank you gift to you, because this is my favorite sponge and everybody should have one. And regular sponges, guys, will have 45 billion bacteria per square centimeter after just one use. That's as much bacteria as what is in a stool sample. Have a sponge that's made of silver that cleans itself. That's what you need to have in your house. Silver sponge. All right. The next thing that comes in our Safe Haven 5 set is the dusting mitt. Do any of you guys love to dust? Tell me if you love to dust, because if you love to dust, you're gonna love this mitt. If you hate to dust, you're gonna really love this mitt. Let me show you how this works. Most of the time when you dust, you come across it and the dust is gonna poof into the air, or it's just going to stay in front of whatever you're using and fall off onto the floor, right? And then you're gonna walk and it's gonna poof into the air again. Not with the Norwex dusting mitt. This uses static electricity Now I want you to see how nice and thick that pile is, right? It's the same star-shaped weave, same super, super fine fibers. I love to use 2 of these and go through my house like a dusty ninja. I can grab all my knickknacks, pick stuff up, clean underneath it, super, super easy. But watch how well this dusts. It grabs everything, and then it is right here in my dusting mitt. Now, say I dust my piano, which hasn't been dusted in forever, right? And it's this dusty. I don't have to wash this every single time. I can just take my rubber brush, go over to my garbage can, knock the dust out of my dusting mitt, and then keep on going. Keep on dusting. I only wash my dusting mitts like every 6 months. Basically, that's when I clean my windows. I get this wet, wipe it down on my window screen, cleans my window screens lickety-split, and then I rinse it and throw it in the wash. How easy is that? Whole house with a single dusting mitt. So great. And even better than that is the kids love to do it too, because it's fun to wear the mitt, so the kids will do the dusting, which is what I like. Oh, let me show you another quick dusting tool that we have. This is the Enviro Wand. This one, same thing. It's got the same dusting mitt on this side, and it's got a chenille on this side. This one you can bend and flex, so you can do your ceiling fan blades. You can get up high in those corners. You can get above your cabinets, get the tops of your cabinets, bend this, and there's this cool little tool hidden in the handle of this guy here. So you can get down in your keyboards, get in the window sills, all those little nooks and crannies that you just can't get anything into to get it clean. There you go. And this also hooks on the mop handle, so you can have a super high extension reach. So this is the Enviro Wand. All right, the last thing that comes in our Safe Haven set is the laundry detergent. Now you can choose between the powdered laundry detergent, the liquid laundry detergent, or the new laundry detergent strips, which mine apparently ran away. So depending on what you like, you can use any of these in an HE machine. If you're gonna use an HE machine with the powdered detergent, you just take out the liquid cup. So you pull out your drawer, you take out that liquid cup, and you can put the powder right down in there, okay? The liquid detergent, this stuff, all of our detergents, guys, are super, super concentrated and free from any kind of dyes, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, optical brighteners, whiteners, bleaches. These are completely safe for you, for your septic systems, for your family, for your pets. They are not going to cause the itches and the rashes and the skin irritations that come from those optical brighteners. That's what makes your detergents blue. It's an illusion that you're putting in something that's going to clean it. It doesn't. It's truly is just an illusion and can cause all kinds of things to your problems to your skin. So these detergents are free of any of those things. They're not laced with a whole bunch of water or any kind of chemicals. They're just purely what you need to get stuff clean. Now, I use the powder detergent most of the time for my family. I have 5 big boys and my hubby. Laundry is smelly, laundry is dirty, and I use 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of detergent for a large size load. That's all I need. When I do the liquid detergent, I use this one when I have super heavy stained or really odory, like we're doing the workout kit clothes or the soccer uniforms. Then I will use the liquid detergent. This one is enzyme based, so those enzymes will target those stains and the odors and really eradicate them very, very easily. The laundry strips are the same, based as the liquid detergent. It's enzyme based, dissolves completely in water. You can use any of our detergents on hot or cold cycle, it doesn't matter. So these laundry detergents are spectacular. Great for all of your clothing, and especially great for your Norwex, because there is nothing in these detergents that is going to build up on that silver, so that your cloths are going to be able to continue to do what they're supposed to do and to keep themselves clean between uses, so that you're not having to wash them all the time, okay? So if you've got any questions on our Safe Haven set or anything that I have showed you, please let me know. Next thing I want to show you is our amazing mop system, which is absolutely fantastic and is the highlight of our catalog, what everybody wants to have, and the reason that most people have a party is to get that mop for free. So let me show you about the mop.